When people talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT for short, it often sounds like some futuristic buzzword. But in reality, IoT is something most of us already live with every day, even if we don't realize it. From smart speakers to connected cars to sensors in factories, IoT is quietly shaping the way the world works. In this video, we're going to cover the Internet of Things in more detail. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps this small channel grow. So what exactly is the IoT? At its core, the Internet of Things is about everyday physical devices being connected to the internet, able to send and receive data. Instead of computers and phones being the only online devices, IoT makes it possible for almost anything. Watches, fridges, lights, even toothbrushes to be part of the network. These devices usually come with built-in sensors, chips, or communication modules. They gather information like temperature, location, or movement and share it over the internet. Once connected, they can be monitored, controlled, or even automated remotely. And the magic really happens when you start linking lots of IoT devices together into larger systems. A simple example is a smart thermostat like Nest. It doesn't just let you adjust the temperature from your phone, it actually collects data about when you're home, what temperatures you prefer, and how efficient your heating system is. Over time, it learns and automatically optimizes energy use. That's IoT in action. Sensors, connectivity, and smart decision making working together to make life easier. But IoT is about more than just useful gadgets for your house. On a larger scale, IoT is being used to build smart cities. Think of traffic lights that respond to real-time traffic conditions, waste bins that tell the council when they need emptying, or street lights that dim when no one's around to save energy. All of these things generate data that, when processed, lead to more efficient and sustainable cities. Healthcare is another massive area for IoT. Wearable devices like Fitbits or Apple Watches constantly track your heart rate, activity, and sleep patterns. In hospitals, IoT sensors can monitor patient vitals in real time, automatically alerting doctors if something looks wrong. There are even smart pills that send data once they're swallowed to confirm medication compliance. These are currently in the experimental phase, but this kind of constant monitoring could literally save lives by catching problems early. In the industrial world, IoT is often called IIoT, the Industrial Internet of Things. Factories use connected sensors to monitor machinery, detect malfunctions, and predict failures before they happen. That's a huge deal because downtime in a factory can cost companies thousands or even millions of dollars per hour. By catching problems early with IoT sensors, businesses save a fortune. Agriculture is another area you might not expect, but farmers are using IoT too. Sensors in soil measure moisture and nutrient levels. Drones scan crops for disease, and automated irrigation systems adjust water delivery based on real-time data. It makes farming more efficient, more sustainable, and more productive. From a technical side, IoT relies on three main layers. First, the devices themselves, sensors and hardware that collect data. Second, the connectivity, whether it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, or even special low-power protocols like LoRaWAN. Third is the processing and application layer, where the data is analyzed and turned into something useful, often using cloud or edge computing. This leads us to an important point. IoT produces a staggering amount of data. A single self-driving car can generate terabytes of data every day. Of course, only a small amount of that needs to be kept, but multiply it by millions of devices, and you can see why IoT is driving demand for cloud storage, data analytics, and edge computing. According to Statista, there were around 15 billion IoT devices worldwide in 2023, and that number is expected to more than double to 30 billion by 2030. That's nearly 4 connected devices for every single person on the planet. While IoT offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with big challenges. The biggest one is security. Every IoT device is basically another door into a network, and many of them aren't built with strong security in mind. You've probably heard of hackers taking over baby monitors, smart cameras, or even entire botnets made up of insecure IoT devices. One famous case was the Mirai botnet in 2016, where hackers hijacked thousands of IoT devices like cameras and routers to launch one of the largest DDoS attacks in history. That attack took down large parts of the internet itself. Privacy is another issue. With so many devices collecting data about our habits, locations, and behaviors, It raises serious questions about how that information is stored, who has access to it, and how it's being used. Do you really want your fridge reporting back to the manufacturer how often you open it and what you store in it? For many people, IoT feels a bit like surveillance hiding in plain sight. There's also the issue of standards. Right now, the IoT space is fragmented. Different companies use different protocols, which makes it hard for devices to talk to each other seamlessly. Efforts like Matter, a new industry standard for smart home devices, are trying to solve this, but it's still a work in progress at the moment. Cost and infrastructure are also challenges. Rolling out IoT at scale, like in smart cities, requires massive investment in sensors, connectivity, and data management. For businesses, it often comes down to whether the efficiency gains are worth the upfront costs. That said, the potential of IoT is hard to ignore. Imagine driverless cars communicating with traffic systems to eliminate congestion, homes that automatically reduce energy waste, or supply chains where every product can be tracked in real time from factory to customer. It's a vision of a world that runs smoother, wastes less, and adapts to our needs on the fly. And the crazy thing is, we're already seeing signs of this future popping up everywhere. Supermarkets are testing smart shelves that can detect when stock is running low and automatically notify staff. Airports are using IoT sensors to speed up baggage handling and reduce lost luggage, something that's been a real issue for years. Even stadiums and large event venues use connected devices to monitor crowd movement to improve safety and manage queues more efficiently. None of it is glamorous, but it quietly makes these systems work better without anyone noticing. Another trend worth mentioning is how IoT is merging with AI. On their own, IoT devices are great at collecting data, but when you combine that data with machine learning, you end up with systems that don't just react, they predict. Think of predictive maintenance in factories, or smart homes that learn your routine and adjust accordingly. This combo of IoT plus AI is what a lot of people refer to as AIoT, and you're going to hear that term more and more over the next few years. There's also a growing push towards edge computing, where data is processed locally on the device instead of being sent all the way to the cloud. This reduces latency, improves reliability, and helps keep more of your data private. It's especially important in industries like healthcare or autonomous vehicles where delays can be dangerous. So while all the cool smart gadgets get the attention, the bigger story is how IoT, AI, and edge processing together are quietly reshaping the infrastructure we rely on every single day. We're moving toward a world where things just work, automatically, efficiently, and in the background, without us ever having to think about it. IoT isn't just about adding connectivity for the sake of it. The real value comes from what happens to the data once it's collected. The analysis, the automation, the decisions, that's where the value is. The big challenge is making sure it's done securely, privately, and in a way that truly benefits people. Because as much fun as it is to have a fridge that knows when you're out of milk, the bigger story is how IoT is reshaping industries, infrastructure, and daily life for billions of people. What IoT devices do you use in your daily life, and how else would you like to see IoT integrate into the world around you? Let me know down in the comments, and please do subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.